Today I'm going to show you how to download Amazon Prime movies to a USB flash drive. This is a handy way to store your favorite movies and watch them offline, especially if you're planning a trip or want to free up space on your device. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you've signed in, take a look at the top toolbar where you'll find the Prime Video option. Click on it to access the Prime Video section. Alternatively, you can open Prime Video directly in your browser if you prefer a quicker route. Now that you're in Prime Video, click on Movies in the top menu. This will bring up a wide selection of movies available to you. You can browse through the results and click on any movie that catches your eye. If you already know what you're looking for, there's a search bar in the upper right corner where you can type in the movie title to find it faster. Although I can't download movies since I'm not yet subscribed to Prime Video, I'll show you what the next steps would be. Once you've found the movie you want, you'll see a download button. Click on it to proceed with the download. This opens up your download options, allowing you to choose the quality that best fits your needs and storage capacity. Next, you'll need to select a download option. You'll see choices like Best, Better, Good, Data Saver, or Always Ask. Each option varies in video quality and file size, so pick the one that works best for you. If you want the highest quality, go with Best. If you're concerned about storage space, Data Saver is a good choice. After selecting your preferred quality, click Start Download or the matching Confirm button. This will begin the download process. Keep in mind that depending on the file size and your internet speed, this might take a few minutes, so just be patient while the download completes inside the app. Once the download is finished, open your File Manager or Storage app to locate where the downloaded file is saved. This is important because you'll need to know the exact location to transfer it to your USB drive. Now insert your USB flash drive into your computer. Make sure it's properly connected and recognized by your system. Once it's detected, go back to your File Manager where the downloaded movie is stored. Copy the downloaded file and paste it into your USB drive. This will transfer the movie onto the flash drive, making it portable and ready to use on other devices. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded an Amazon Prime movie and transferred it to your USB flash drive. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.